Over the years, global warming becomes more severe. Unusual climate change causes heavy rainstorms in some areas, which brings flood because water cannot drain fast enough. Since the flood crisis in Thailand in 2011, there are many places around the world, such as Middle Europe, China, and Russia, that also faced the same flood crisis in 2013. Many lives were lost and many properties are destroyed. This consequently stops economic growth. Actually, we can prevent flood disaster with the wise and effective technology by installing DAYU aluminum floodgates from Taiwan, which can protect this disaster for 99.99%. DAYU floodgates, a flood protection system from Taiwan, has been accepted widely in both local and global organizations. It consists of many outstanding qualifications, which are lightweight floodgates made of high-pressure durable aluminum material for ease of installation and storage. 25-centimeter height with smooth surface at both sides for two-side usability. Stainless floor rack designed in U shape to prevent leakage from floodgates at high water pressure. Rubber envelope seal between the floodgates, made of material that is easily changeable without using glue to attach, and is sun heat durable with EPDM sponge standard for outdoor usage. Special designed alloys lock, which is durable to high water pressure and to any hits, so you can ensure about security. Multiple alloys bar that is height adjustable according to flood level without inputting all floodgates. Only 15 minutes installation time by one person, and floodgates are adjustable to not obstruct doorway during normal situation. Trustable by copyright from Taiwan. Last but not least, it is certified flood protection by National Chen Gong University from Taiwan. Floodgates installation consists of many steps as follows. Floor rack installation at the area that you want to install floodgates. Side pillar installation as door frame. Middle pillar installation as axle to strengthen the door for the wide door. After putting the floodgates at the required height level, then lock alloys lock, middle pillar, and side pillars to finish the installation. To install floodgates pack, these are the steps to install. 1. Open floor rack cover and clean it. 2. Loosen screws at middle pillar and side pillars. 3. Fasten screw at middle pillar loosely. 4. Fasten screw at side pillars loosely. 5. Connect middle pillar and side pillars together. 6. Use tools to fasten screws at middle pillar and side pillars. 7. Prepare to input floodgates after finishing pillar installation. 8. Input floodgates at required level. 9. Lock alloys lock. 10. Fasten screws at middle pillar and side pillars. 11. Use rubber hammer to firm the inserted floodgates and finish the floodgates installation. To ensure the effectiveness and strength of DAYU flood protection system, we will prove it to you now. First method is to test by fire hose. Second method is to test by air compressor. Third method is to test by high pressure washer. As you can see, our floodgates are still stable, not losing any parts, not leak, and can protect your building and property from flood surely. DAYU Floodgates from Taiwan is consequently certified for performance product by Thailand Institute of Scientific and Technological Research. This can confirm our product standard. With our outstanding product, which can protect flood for 99.99%, DAYU Floodgates are trusted by many leading organizations in Thailand, Taiwan, and the Philippines. Surely, no one would like to face the same crisis again. Hence, we should prepare ourselves for flood crisis that may happen in the future. To ensure your business security, please choose DAYU Floodgates from Taiwan.